A Common Misunderstanding by Berta Serro. Can you meet in the afternoon to study for the English exam? Sure, I finish work at 5 o'clock, so we can meet at 30 if you can. Perfect, I will see you in the library then. In the library. Where is Tom? He must be late. Maybe he did not understand we were meeting in the library. In the bookstore. Did she say library? In Spanish it translates librería, right? Next day. Where were you yesterday? I waited for 30 minutes. I was in the library waiting for you. Wait. You're Spanish, right? In Spain you say librería as in bookstore, and in British we say library as in biblioteca. Oh no. I'm sorry. Do not worry. It was a misunderstanding. The end.